Come on. Build! Build! I need materials. Find me. Oh. Can't believe it. Oh, hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to another episode of ChubbyPopChaser. I know it's been so long. I've just been busy doing lots of things, but I'm still alive. So, I'm back again. This time, I bought 3 boxes from Shumi Toys. 3 mystery boxes. So hopefully something good's in them. So, we're gonna, see what we can do. Hopefully something good. These are only like $15 a piece, so I'm not really expecting much out of them. But, let's see what we get, right? Alright. Let's start with this one right here. To my trusty knife. Let's see what we got. Cut. Alright. I never ordered from Shumi Toys before, so hopefully it's something good. I don't know. They package it very well, so that's good. I'm so scared. For 15 bucks, that shouldn't be right. I got a Mrs. Witch. Wrinkle in Time. If I remember correctly, Oprah prayed her. Mrs. Witch. Boom. So check it out. The box looks good. They do a good job of packaging. I like them. I never read the book, even though they made me try to read it in grade school. So Mrs. Witch, what's it? And Mrs. Who? Okay. That's just weird. Maybe I'll watch the movie. Catch up real quick, right? We'll put that over there. Okay, box number 2. You know what? But first, I have a new sponsor for the show. It's she makes great bracelets, beautiful bracelets, custom. As you can see, I'm wearing it right now. I'll take it off for a show you. Boom! Check that baby boy out. So, tiger's eye in there. Some silver. She puts a nice little medallion if you want. She did for me. Pope John Paul, Pollock that I am. Beautiful, beautiful, and they're not even that expensive. I'll put her link in the description down below. She has her own little store on Etsy. It's Gemma Celeste Atelier. Sorry, I messed up your name, but it's very good. Beautiful, beautiful bracelets. And I asked her to change a couple things for me, and she's like, "Yeah, no problem." Boom, shipped it right away. Fast. Beautiful things. So, guys, great gifts for the girls, girlfriends. You know what I'm saying? Alright, just so you know, it's going to be in there. I'm going to show you everything. Maybe I'll show you a picture, close up of what she made for me. Beautiful bracelets. Beautiful, beautiful. All handmade. And she did it very quickly. I think it took 3 days tops. Took a little long because, I kept changing my mind about something else, something this, something that. So, alright, anyway. On to number 2. Mystery box. We got... This is funny. It's a funny movie. From Super Troopers, I got Mac. Boom. I remember that scene with the metal cup. Very funny movie. They made a part 2. I haven't seen it yet. But you know, I'll take him out for you guys because he looks pretty cool. I know some of you guys are like, you gotta be careful with opening the boxes because you look so crazy. Yeah. Who cares, right? Oh, that's a little weird. Look at the back. Cool glasses. There you go. Check it out. Boom. Here comes the weird part. You can see his butt. Kind of weird, right? Put the crack in there where it belongs. Boom, so you can see it. Put crack. Boom. Great show. Great movie, that is. Great movie. Well, so far, that's good. I got 2 pops that I don't even have, so. And one of them, I've been thinking about buying this one for the longest time. Just haven't gotten around to it yet. I still want to get Farva and Ramathorn. Might as well get them. Get those other 2. Complete the set. Last but not least, 3rd box from Shumi Toys. Trusty knife. Don't do me wrong. Something good. Something good. I'm not even sure what's supposed to... Oh, yeah. It's supposed to be like gift cards for sets in these and store credit. Stuff like that. But so far, just pops. Come on. Alright. There's no like tags or anything in here? Huh? No. Here we go. See what we got. Just got the regular Beverly. I think there's a Chase Beverly too, right? Bloody Chase Beverly. But I got the regular one. Oh well. Those were those 3 boxes from Shumi Toys, mystery boxes. I'm glad 1, all new ones that I don't have. 2, no duplicates, so for 15 bucks a piece, I'm not complaining. Not at all. So thumbs up to Shumi. I will buy from you guys again. Till then, I'm going to start throwing out some more boxes for you guys, some more videos once I get time, you know. I'm just been busy. Straight up. Got the World Cup going on. You know. My girlfriend opened up a catering business, so I'm helping out there. So, you know. It's all good times, good times, good times. But I'm making more movie videos. And I'm gonna stay around for a little longer for you guys. Because I know some of you guys like watching me. Some of you guys don't like watching me, but still watch me. Not even sure why you even watch me. But yeah. I must go. Because I gotta get to work. Job number 2. Till then, ChubbyPopChaser says, hit the like, hit the subscribe, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Tell your friends how much you hate me. And till next time, listen to your mom and your dad. Get off this computer. Get off Xbox and YouTubes and stuff. Give them a hug. Tell them how much you love them. Go outside. It's summertime. Go play some basketball. Go fishing. Something. Stop staying inside. Anyway, till next time. I'm out.